welcome back to our channel. Nessa's over here, Leeny, and my friend Crazy Girl from the other videos. So we're doing a slime challenge. Nessa's being by herself. Both of us are gonna go do our slime. Both of us gonna be with each other with the slimes,
and then we're gonna have a challenge to see who makes better slime.
Yeah, the two kids and Vanessa. Yeah. We already put our slime.
Can't even see my glue because it's like clear.
Yeah, she got clear and we got like the regular
But you
ones.
can't even see ours because the plate's white.
No.
You only pushed it in my
Oh,
nose.
really? I wasn't even looking.
What happened?
No, we're supposed to put the water. The water? Oh, okay.
Vanessa, you're doing the same thing. Dang, that's too much. That's my brother over there that's saying, dang, Vanessa.
Okay, kind of moved it again, but sure.
Don't open it. Okay, we're like, okay. Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't. This is so pretty.
Yeah, where's her hair?
We need more. It's all melted. Come on. We're gonna make ours the best slime ever, Sophia.
Blocking the camera for sure. Okay, that's a lot.
Oh my god! This is work. Vanessa just has to do work.
Take the fork out if we're not going to use
Hi
it.
guys.
On les a roulés. Je suis abattu, je perds le fil. Étape 1, on fait pas de deal. Étape 1, kilo, fait pas de dealer. Je prends pas ça au sérieux, ouais, ça fait dealer. La gosse dandine. Elle veut tout volume. Pourtant, c'est qu'une gamine. Mais comme elle s'ennuie, ce monde la fascine. Moi, je voulais m'en aller. Et ce, depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, de faire le tri. Moi, je voulais m'en aller. Et ce, depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, ouais, de faire le tri.
I know.
Put it in.
Hold on, ours is good now.
Wait, let me
Do this.
let me just like do this, like.
And then, oh,
So
a bunch of water. Yay.
We're gonna be alright. Hey, we're gonna be alright.
Donc tu mets tes gants, tu mets ton bonnet. Et tu cours, continue de zoner. Donc tu sors, t'es beau. T'es bien accompagné, ouais, donc c'est bon, c'est bon. Elle a vu tout ton zéyo. À partir de là, ouais, tu te casses les dents. Ouais, tu te casses les dents, tu dépasses les bancs. Tout ça parce que la semaine est bonne. Mais toi tu l'affectionnes, les consos s'additionnent. À la fin, c'est qui paye, bah c'est pas elle qui donne. Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce, depuis tant d'années.
This is mine. I don't like touching it. I'm just kidding.
And this is our butter slime.
Yours feels like store-bought.
Because it's not store-bought. It's homemade.
Look at
Look at this nasty thing. Like, who would buy? Would you buy this? No, you wouldn't.
As you can see, it's clear. And it has balls. It's hurting the best, like, as you can see.
Wait, can I fill it? Okay, guys. Say all bye, guys. Bye.
No, you didn't. You're gonna get cookie gunner.